Do you want to learn how to do your own makeup? Then this video is for you. Welcome to my makeup 101 tutorials for beginners only. The first part is how to prep your skin and how to apply your foundation. Then this second part is concealer. We are doing concealer on the second part. So I'm using this concealer from Adventure Makeup. I love this concealer so much. I'm using this concealer from Adventure Makeup. It's their Blend Pro Concealer and it's so nice and affordable too. Now you're a beginner, so apply a little like so. Right, then you blend. Then you are blending. Can take it to the outer parts of your under eye, but when you are putting on the concealer, you don't put it to that side. You only put here, then you work with what you put there. You take it to the outer parts of your under eye so that it won't be too much. You know, we are just learning. Beginners, so take it out, apply little on this part, then you blend it outward. You don't apply the concealer and take it you don't apply the concealer and apply here as a beginner. When you are a pro, you can do it, but as a beginner, you just apply a little, then blend it out. Even the forehead, so you don't apply too much because you're a beginner. Just a little on the nose too. Next, we are going to use a brighter shade of that, the same Adventure Makeup Pro Blend Pro Concealer. We are going to use a lighter shade just to brighten up the under eye. Just a little. Like so. Just a little. Then you blend it out. That is how to apply your concealer as a beginner. It's easy for you to blend because you do not add much.